We got to learn new things. We did lots of production. We got to learn all the cameras, equipment, and also learn how to be a content creator.
It's very exciting that we get a chance like this. It's a great opportunity.
I'm actually pretty excited. My project in particular, it's going to be built on a series. So I'm actually really excited at the feedback that I get from the instructors and from the judges, because I can go out and I can make my project even better than what it originally was.
I think final project got a lot of emotional, because it's our last project, but it was grateful also because we can do the work, last work together.
What I first have to say is that I've been here for the 4th time now, I think, and every year the projects get better and better.
I can see some of the work can really develop further into a serious piece or commercial piece. Some of the work maybe not commercially instantly, but craft that students have the passion and energy put onto some real project.
So after I watched the film today, what I'm impressed is the hard work. For some projects, I already have the advice for them, so I can see some progress of those projects.
The student here is very talented. A lot of films today show a lot of talents, show a lot of characters, storytelling, cinematography is very, very perfect.
Having a project like this as your final submission, it allows you to understand the challenges and what you need to kind of deliver under pressure, which is similar to when you go to work in the real world. When they execute and deliver projects of this high quality, you see that the program really prepares them well for real life situations.
At Innovative Media program, we not just lecture, we have hand-on experience, workshops and activity for students. They're going to work with the real case as well as get the comment from the industry experts. So we have many classes, many courses, many workshops available for students.
Since year 1 in photography, we encouraging the students to follow the industrial standard by pitching, submitting the work to fight with the public, not just any student's level, but we encourage them to see what is the expectation from the industrial standards.
I feel like the coolest thing that I've learned is just how to find so many new people and learning new things from those people, because you get to experience so many things that you wouldn't have in your own life.
For me, what I like about IMI is that I get to learn many things, and the studies and the curriculum change with the trend. For example, this year is AI, so the professor would put AI class, how to generate AI, how to work with AI and stuff like that.
We don't make a movie because just ourselves, just the passion. We make the movie for audience and it can be sellable.
In all honesty, the ambition that was gifted to me from my professors, they knew me as a YouTuber and they say, hey, you're good in what you do, but we want you to be better. So I just feel like every time, every class, every professor that I cross paths with, they just pushed me to progress and to do better. And ultimately, my vision expanded and it compounded from what I originally thought I was going to be or what I was going to do.
I would say IMI, it's really fun. You could learn a little basic of everything.
Yeah.
And that's really good basic skill you should have.
Everyone should come learn at IMI because you meet such great people and the adjunts are so nice, and it's just been such a great time here.
I think it's an amazing program. I think it's a great opportunity. It's limitless and you guys are going to have a great journey. So I invite you guys to come and progress your knowledge and level up your IMI.